At 75 years old, he's still making his wife smile every single night. And when I discovered his secret, I couldn't believe how simple it was. I met this couple at a gathering, and the energy between them was undeniable. She was glowing, and he had this confidence that men half his age would envy. So I had to ask him, "What's your secret?" And what he told me changed everything. Let me ask you something. Have you noticed that spark fading? That energy you used to have just isn't there anymore? You want to be present, to be passionate, but your body isn't keeping up with your mind. And it's frustrating because you care deeply about your partner, but exhaustion wins every time. Maybe you've tried ignoring it, hoping it would get better on its own. This isn't just about you. Your partner notices. They might not say it, but they feel it too. That distance grows. The intimacy fades. And what used to be natural now feels like a chore you're too tired to even think about. Days turn into weeks, and that connection you once had starts slipping away. You start avoiding those moments because you're worried about disappointing them. And that eats at you. It affects your confidence, your mood, even how you see yourself. The problem gets bigger the longer you wait. But here's the thing. You don't need expensive supplements or complicated solutions. You need two powerful ingredients that have been boosting energy and circulation for centuries: coffee and ginger. And when you combine them the right way, something incredible happens. This isn't some new trend. This is ancient wisdom backed by what your body actually needs. Let me show you exactly what you need and why this works. First, fresh ginger root. Ginger increases blood flow throughout your entire body, including where it matters most. It's a natural circulation booster that's been used for thousands of years. But here's what most people don't know. Ginger also reduces inflammation and helps your body absorb nutrients better, which means more energy when you need it. It's like turning on a switch in your system. Second, quality coffee. Not just for the caffeine, but because coffee dilates your blood vessels and increases stamina naturally. Studies show that coffee can improve physical performance by up to 15%. It releases fatty acids into your bloodstream, giving you sustained energy without the crash. Together, these two create a synergy that wakes up your entire system. Your circulation improves, your energy spikes, and your confidence comes back. Here's how you make it. Take a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger and grate it finely. The fresher the ginger, the more potent it is. Brew 1 cup of strong coffee, your regular way. While the coffee is hot, add the grated ginger directly into the cup. Stir it well and let it steep for 3 minutes. This gives the ginger time to release all its active compounds. Strain it if you want a smoother drink, or drink it as is if you want maximum benefits. Add a touch of honey if you need sweetness, but skip the sugar. Drink this 30 minutes before intimacy. That's the sweet spot when everything kicks in. Now here's what that man told me. He drinks this 3 times a week, not every day, because your body needs balance. But those 3 times? Game changer. He said the first time he tried it, he felt like he was 30 again. And his wife? She couldn't stop talking about the difference. Start tonight. Try this blend and feel the difference for yourself. Give it a week and watch what happens. Your energy will come back, that confidence will return, and your partner will notice. If this helped you, hit that subscribe button and share this with someone who needs it. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the most powerful. See you in the next one.